Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making potato en gratin. Okay, so this is the ingredients list. You can pause to take a look. So we're going to butter our dish for baking. So we're cutting up our potato into cubes. Now we add it into our dish. We're going to add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of flour and we're going to mix that well. Combine everything nicely. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt and some black pepper and some Parmesan cheese as well, and mix everything together. We're going to add our cream mixture to our potato cubes. Cover with foil and bake for 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, remove the foil and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. 5 minutes before it is ready, take it out, sprinkle some cheddar cheese on the top, put it back into the oven to get nice and golden on top. And before serving, you can sprinkle with sage. Enjoy!